Okay, here I am. I'm leaning over a tree. I'm leaning against it. There's my hand. There's the force of it below. Look at the speed of it. Try and show you over this side. Oh, not easy. And there's the main waterfall up there. I'm just going to go up there now, assuming I don't fall in. I don't want to go in there, that's for sure. Dodgy. Some speed there. Show you this one. Wow, even this one's impressive. I've never seen it like this before, never. Oh, there we go. What about that? Secret Waterfall in space. Absolutely amazing. Okay, that looks amazing, doesn't it? Look at the colour of the water. That'll do, at least I didn't fall in. Quite pleased about that. Okay, Dave the Rave, over and out.